Hey, what's going on everybody? I decided to do another Bluetooth tutorial because I realized in my last one, in the fourth part of my Bluetooth communication tutorial, I didn't actually show you how to get the data from the stream and post it to MainActivity. So that's what I'm going to do in this one. It's going to basically read data from the input stream and post it in a little chat box on MainActivity. So first thing we'll do is go over to Activity Main, and we're going to create that little chat box here. Just going to be a simple text view down here. Then we're going to go back to MainActivity. Actually, we'll do the Bluetooth connection service first. And we'll scroll down to the connected thread right here and go to where the input stream is, which is here. And how we're gonna pass the data to MainActivity is we're going to create an intent, and we're going to attach an extra in the form of a string and then send it over. So there's our intent, and we're going to name the intent and call it incoming message so that we can reference it from MainActivity. Then we're going to put an extra onto the intent in the form of a string. We're going to name the extra the message, and we're going to throw our incoming message right here from the input stream attach it as the extra. And the last part, we're going to use a local broadcast manager to send the broadcast. So there we go. Now head back to MainActivity. And what's the first thing? We got to declare our text view, and we're going to create a string builder. The string builder is going to be for appending the incoming messages and then posting them to the text view. Next, we'll go to the onCreate method and declare the incoming message variable and the messages variable. Then we're going to use the local broadcast manager again to register the broadcast receiver that we're going to use. So this is red because we haven't created the broadcast receiver yet. Next, as you might have guessed, we're going to create the broadcast receiver. Just put it down here. And finally set the text view to set the string builder to the text view. Oh, and I forgot to do one thing in my last tutorial. In here, let's set the text to blank after you've sent a message. And that should be it. I'm going to upload this onto two devices. I'm going to grab my webcam and do a little demo here. Alright, so hopefully you can see that. Bluetooth's on the Samsung. It's not on in here, so let's turn that on first of all. Oops, allow. And then enable discoverability on both. Okay, and then discover and discover, and so then start the accept thread on both, and then start the connection on either one. I'm just going to click it on the 1+. So there we go, we have a connection established. So now I can start sending something. So I'll go on the Samsung and say hello from 1+. So we can see hello from 1+. I'm going to send it over there, so I hit send. And you can see over here, hello from, oh I spelled it wrong, but get the idea. Now I'm going to go on the 1+ and say hello, wait, what did I say? I think I just screwed that up. Hello from 1+, oh that was actually from the Samsung, but whatever. Hello from, I'll say this is the Samsung, just so it's different. So I'm going to say hello from Samsung, click send, and you can go over here and say, see the hello from Samsung. Alright, let's shut the video off. So that's it for this tutorial. Hopefully that was helpful and it kind of completed your knowledge for getting data and then maybe displaying data in a more meaningful way anyway, not just to a log. Something else I noticed on my channel was that a lot more people are posting questions, which is great. That's really good. I just want to make sure that everybody knows the best way if you want to get your question answered is post a Stack Overflow and then put your question, put the Stack Overflow link in the questions in the comments, and that way either me or somebody else can get back to you as soon as we can. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button if you haven't already done that, and thanks for watching.